What if I told you that a $1,000 investment today could transform into $100,000 in the near future? Sounds unbelievable, right? But with the right strategy, high potential stocks, and cryptocurrencies, it's not just possible, it's achievable. Stick with me to the end, and I'll share how you can make it happen. Stick around because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to identify high potential stocks and cryptos that could transform your financial future. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of investing, where small moves can lead to massive rewards. Whether you're new to investing or looking to sharpen your strategy, this video will arm you with actionable insights to maximize your $1,000 investment and aim for that $100,000 milestone. Remember, the information in this video is for educational purposes. Always do your own research before investing. The math of turning $1,000 into $100,000 highlight the concept of compounded growth. For example, an annual return of 50% compounded for 5 years could achieve this goal. Mention that this level of return requires taking calculated risks in high potential opportunities. Risk versus reward. Explain the importance of diversification and risk management. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Part 2. High potential stocks. Identifying high potential stocks. Look for companies with innovative products, strong leadership, and expanding market share. Examples: tech startups, green energy companies, or firms leading in AI and robotics. Key metrics to analyze: revenue growth. Consistent growth often signals strong potential. Debt levels. Companies with manageable debt are better positioned for growth. Market trends. Invest in industries with promising futures, like renewable energy or biotechnology. Actionable example. Mention a specific hypothetical stock scenario, like a renewable energy company, and walk through the metrics that make it attractive. Part 3. The crypto boom. Why crypto? Crypto offers one of the highest potential returns in modern investing. While volatile, the right strategies can yield incredible results. How to spot high potential cryptos. Look for projects solving real-world problems with strong communities and development teams. Examples: Ethereum for its smart contracts, or Layer 2 solutions improving scalability. Understanding tokenomics. Check the supply and demand dynamics of a coin. Analyze the use case and adoption rate. Case study. Use an example of a crypto project that saw massive gains, explaining what factors contributed to its success. Part 4. Building a balanced portfolio. The 70-30 rule. Allocate 70% of your portfolio to relatively safer investments like established stocks and blue-chip cryptos. Allocate 30% to high-risk, high-reward options like emerging tech stocks or new crypto projects. Regular rebalancing. Monitor your portfolio monthly. Rebalance to ensure you're sticking to your strategy and adjusting based on performance. Segment 5. Action plan to get started. Visuals. A checklist appearing one by one. Narrator. Here's your step-by-step action plan. Research and shortlist 3 to 5 high potential stocks. Identify 2 to 3 cryptocurrencies with strong fundamentals. Decide on your investment amounts for each. Use a reliable platform or broker for your trades. Monitor your portfolio regularly and adjust as needed. Patience is key. Wealth building doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and the right strategy, your $1,000 could become $100,000. Closing scene. Visuals. The narrator smiling with the text. Subscribe for more on screen. Narrator. And there you have it. With these tips, you're on your way to making your money work harder for you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And let us know in the comments, what's your first step towards growing your $1,000 investment? See you in the next video.